Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, my name's Anthea and I create fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. So if you enjoy hauls, unboxings, reviews, that kind of thing, please do consider hitting the red subscribe button down below. And while you're hitting the red subscribe button, please make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my future videos. Now with all that being said, let's go on with today's video. In today's video, we are going to be looking at beauty pie. Now, this is something I have seen most recently over the internet, a few videos here and there, a few times it's been mentioned, and I thought, you know what, let me take a little closer look to see what the hype is about. So if you are unsure of what it is, Beauty Pie is an online beauty retailer. So they sell skincare, they sell makeup products and things like that. Now what their goal is, that they basically sell it for a very discounted price. So they claim, I'm not used this stuff yet, so I'm just going off what's on the website, but they claim that their prices are lower because they're able to cut out the middlemen, but still giving us as consumers the same luxury kind of quality for a very low price. So I think the founder of the company, I will put her name on the screen because I can't quite remember it, but I know she was she used to work for, I think it's Bliss Spa and Soap and Glory. So she is, you know, she is au fait obviously with beauty products and things like that, so she does have a, I suppose, history when it comes to things like that. So I thought I'll go on. So just a few things before I start showing you the bits I've got. So with Beauty Pie, you have to subscribe, so it's like a membership kind of situation. Go on. At the moment, I don't know if it's going to be an ongoing thing, but you get 30 days free, a free trial. So you're able to purchase at the lower price, and then after that, it's £59 a year for the year. But I thought, you know what, let me have a go, see what I can get, see what the products are like. So I managed to pick up 4 products. I'll show you the box if you're not familiar with this. This is the box it comes in. It's a really nice box actually. Bright pink Beauty Pie, and then it just says happiness is beauty pie, and then it's got some details on here. It says a beauty pie. So at Beauty Pie, our mission is to deliver the absolute best in beauty, non-stop, at prices so amazing, even a splurge is a steal. Now I will say, yeah, I managed to pick up 4 items, and I think I spent about 50 quid. So this is how it comes packaged. Again, I will just show you how it comes packaged. Hopefully it's not too blown out with the lights, but it comes packaged really nicely packaged. And then obviously so yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, really nice. And then these are the items here. So I think I've got 2 in there, and then I think there's 2 in there. Yeah, presentation's beautiful, really, really nice. So I'm gonna start off with, let's see what we've got in here. So I'm not using anything, as you can see, but what I will do is I might do a review of some of the products after I've used them for a while. I think it's, you know, it doesn't make sense to use it once and then say if it's been great or not. But I shall do a review. Look at the paper. The paper's really nice. Yeah, I like that. Again, presentation's really nice. So the first item we have here is the Super Active capsules, pure double vitamin C and vitamin E, and you get how many? Does it say how many capsules you get? They're like little, where you, hang on, let me open it. Yes, it's just a neck of capsules. You can use them use them, like, don't say day or night. Oh yeah, day or night, and you get 60 capsules. Yeah, you get 60 capsules in there, and vitamin C, so for brightening, that kind of thing. So, ooh, let me see if I can show you. Can you say that? The packaging is really nice. I do like that because it's just really simple packaging, nothing too fussy, and it comes with like a little lid thing on it. I don't know why I'm smelling. You can't really smell. There is no smell to them, but I just thought I'd smell because it's vitamin C, so maybe it's like an orangey smell, but no. So I picked up them. They were how much were they? £13.87. So as I say, a really good price. let's see if it says something there. It says the super targeted one shot face serum capsules hold high doses of stable actives, so you can up your skincare ante with simple twist and squeeze and tap. So yes, it says pure vitamin C, 10%, a powerful antioxidant which helps protect skin from environmental damage, improves firmness, even out skin tone, and minimises the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And then vitamin E, a moisturising agent and powerful antioxidant which has a synergistic effect when combined with vitamin C. So supposedly together these are gonna knock my socks off. So yeah, we will see. And as I say, they were, oh actually tell I said it was £13.87, they're not. These were actually £14.41, so still a really good price for these. Yeah, so that's them, that's item number 1. And then next we've got the super active capsules, which are the ones that were £13.87, so very similar to them. So you get 60 capsules in there. So again, you can use these day and night. One shot. It says to support the skin's natural barrier and boost the natural production of fatty acids and essential ceramides that are depleted by aging. And then it says aging pollution, sun exposure, exfoliation and face washing. Oh, okay, I didn't realise that exfoliation depletes stuff. I might need to slow down on exfoliation. To help replenish fatty acids and help fight visible signs of aging. So yeah, no harm in that. We've all got our age, but you know, no harm in trying to kind of slow things down if you can. So again, similarly to the vitamin C, they come in this little capsule. It's really, again, I feel like this is something that would look really nice on your, you know, on your counter, on your vanity, or wherever you keep your beauty products. But yeah, it's got the details on here. So after cleansing and exfoliating with a scrub, AHA or retinol, twist the neck open, and then you apply to for décolletage day and night. So I might try these. I'm going out. I'm doing a sleepover tonight, so I might take them with me and use it tonight and see. So yeah, that's item number 2, and as I say, that was the super active capsules essential ceramides, and they were £13.87. So a steal. So let me know if you yourself have actually bought anything from Beauty Pie, or if you've got any questions about Beauty Pie, leave those in the comment section down below. I'd love to know what you picked up and what your thoughts are, and any recommendations, because I think some of the stuff I picked up is just, like I said, I'm aware of vitamin C. I'm not really I've never had any of the, not like the ceramides, not used anything like that. So I'm always open to recommendations as to some products that might be really good and beneficial for me. So if you've got any suggestions, please do leave them in the comment section down below. Okay, so we're on next. So we've got look 2 here, so let's see. Woo! Let's see what we've got. Okay, so this one I'm very interested in. So this one is the Overnight Skin Perfector 2.0. So this is this. I don't know if you can see. I will try and do some cutaways for these, so just because the lights can be a little bit bright sometimes. So it says it's a gentle retinol triple smoothing infusion with caviar lime, AHA and sodium hydronate. Hey, give me a thumbs up just for being able to say that word, because those of you that watch my video on a regular basis know that I struggle. So the fact that I was able to actually say that relatively easy, I think I deserve a thumbs up for that. So make sure you hit the thumbs up. Go on, do it. Okay, right. So this is, as it says, an overnight skin perfector. Massage a small amount, blah blah blah, into the, you know, every evening after washing. So let's see what it looks like. Again, the packaging's lovely. It's like a textured. It's just high end. What I will say, it does feel luxurious. The packaging and things. So the look and the feel that they're going for, I would definitely say they are achieving. So it comes in this 75ml tube. This one was £12.62. So again, a really good price. So as I say, it's a gentle retinol. I do have retinols that I use. So it'd be interesting to see what this one's like and see what the skin's, because obviously it's an overnight perfector. So I might use it to see if the next day I feel like my skin is perfect. I don't feel like I've got bad skin anyway, but hey, and the only reason why I don't have bad skin is because I suppose maybe some of it is genetic, but I do my best to take care of it. So yeah, so this one, I will see how I go on with that. Interesting. I was excited about this one, definitely, because I wasn't too sure. I've never used anything like it before, so we'll see what happens with that one. Ooh, and this. So I have used an essence before. So this is the Japan Fusion, it's called. So it's basically an energy essence mist. It says with Jabara C, grape polyphenol. Yeah, see, I'm screwed up with the name. What I will do is I will link these. Am I able to link them from the website? I'll do me, but I'm not sure because if you're not subscribed, it might. No, it should let you still go. I'll leave links to them anyway in the description bar below. So if you do want to kind of have a look at some of the details and the ingredients, closer, they'll be down there. So as I was about to say, I have used a essence in the past. It was by, I can't remember. Who was it by? Can't remember. It was a good. Who was it? I can see the bottle, can't remember, and I really enjoyed using it. The reason why I didn't pick up another one until now is because I've got quite a lot of skincare that I'm trying to get through, so I thought, you know what, I'll just use them without getting an essence. But obviously because I was going on to the beauty bar, so why not? So I got this. It's a 95ml. And basically what an essence is, it's kind of an additional hydration. So obviously you cleanse, tone, and then you put on your essence, so it just gives you that extra hydration. And I must say, when I was using them, I did really enjoy them. So this one was, how much was this one? £11, £11.53, and it comes. Oh, it's a nice bottle, and it's a spray. Oh, it's a nice bottle. Well, I would say this bottle is plastic. I feel like it might have been a bit nicer if it was glass, but hey ho, can't have everything. So yeah, so it just says, moisture lock. So again, it literally locks in moisture. It says after cleansing, ensure optimal skincare absorption by misting over your face and neck before applying a serum, treatment or moisturizer. I'm gonna give it a little spray and see if I can. Got not much of a scent, which is nice. A light. It's not even floral. It's a light smell. It's very difficult. I'm not really good with scent, so I can't really say what it smells like. But it's not floral. It's not too sweet. It's nice. Liking that. So I'm looking forward to giving this a whirl as well. So that is the Japan Fusion. Okay. So everyone, that is the end of today's video. Let me know, as I said, in the comment section below if you've used anything from Beauty Pie, or if you're subscribed, or if you're thinking about it. Let me know in the comment section below. What I will do is actually maybe in a month's time I'll use these and then just maybe come back and do a bit of a review of how I found the products, if they were good, how they felt on the skin, things like that. So make sure you are subscribed, so make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss the upcoming video with the details on that. And if you have enjoyed the video, which I'm sure you have, do please make sure you hit the thumbs up before you leave. And with all that being said, I will see you in next week's video. Bye for now. See ya.